friends, and welcome back. Today is another day in the life video, and we are just kind of getting started with our day. Katie's been working on school a little bit, and Sophie still needs to finish getting ready, right baby? Need to brush your hair.
Morning.
Good morning. What you up to, Katie?
School.
Trying to get all your school done for Thanksgiving. So I gotta figure out what the people want for breakfast. Some laundry going. We finished up breakfast, and Sophie and I have been working on math. I wanted to show y'all what she's doing now in math. So today we started the addition with carrying, so hoping this will go well, because this is a big change from what she's been doing with just learning math facts. She's been adding 2- and 3-digit numbers but without carrying, but now we've got the carrying added. Right, Sophie?
Yeah, and now I was doing this.
You doing your math facts? Okay, go ahead and work on that.
I did, Mommy.
Y'all finished? Okay.
Who could see the will of time, and that you were still a friend of mine? Our story wasn't over yet, and no one can tell what's coming next.
We finished up school. Katie is still working on her school, but Gary and I are headed out to do some errands. So Katie's gonna be watching Sophie. Rarely do Gary and I get to go out shopping, but that's what we're doing right now. It's cool and overcast today. Is it weird to not have the kids with us?
Hello.
So we're going to run some errands. This is Thanksgiving week, so it's a Monday. I have Gary here. So first, you're here. You're not out of town.
Yay.
Right? And second, so Katie and Sophie are staying here. So Sophie finished up her school. Katie is not done with school, but she's trying to get ahead because she doesn't want to have to work over Thanksgiving. So she's working on that. But I need to do some returns and get some things at Target that I don't want the girls to be with me when I pick up. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now. I also need to go to Sam's. We might need to put gas in the car while we're at Sam's, I'm not sure. So I need to go to Sam's to pick up a couple of things for this week, and yeah, so hopefully the idea would be that we don't need to go back to Bluffton after tomorrow when we go do school. We need to go help my mom. But so we had another hard school day this morning with Miss Sophie. She I'm not sure what it is about math right now, but it's causing her some anxiety, and it's weird because she's really not doing anything new. We did today introduce carrying with addition, but it's not like she had to do it on her own. Like, I walked her through it. It was like her first time seeing it. But that's not what gave her anxiety. It was just the fact that we were doing math, and she's actually really good at math, and most of what we're doing, like, it's just easy for her. So I'm not really sure why that was happening, but it's just been really, I feel like we're just slogging through school right now. You know, it's not like, it's just been hard. Honestly, I'm very grateful that we're getting ready to come up on Thanksgiving break. We are caught up now, so the only school we have left was what was originally scheduled for Tuesday. tomorrow, and that's our last day of school this week. So I'm grateful for that. I'm probably just going to bring out some Thanksgiving books and read some of those with her on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because we really have not had time for that in this sort of season of life, because school has been taking so long. Because, and I'm not filming this because, you know, obviously sometimes kids, you know, they get upset and they cry and all that, and we're not going to put our kids on camera doing that, right? So you're not seeing what's you know, happening in our school days, but just suffice it to say that they're lasting probably twice as long as they need to, because, you know, we have to take calm down breaks and you know, things like that. So I'm not pushing her beyond like what she is capable of, but at some point we do need to do some school for that day, and this has been going on now for probably, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks. So I've slowed down, and, you know, I feel like I've done, you know, everything that I can, but I know some of y'all have gone through this and know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm grateful for the break coming up with Sophie. I think that she needs a break as well as I do. And Katie, I think she thought she had a lot more school to do this week than what she actually has. So she seems to be in a really good spot as far as like the break coming up and her ability to be able to put things down. We still haven't heard back about her geography course. So we sent another kind of follow-up email because we were supposed to hear back, I think, Friday on that, and we haven't. So we'll see what happens with that. But that's kind of a school update. We're pretty much finishing up our second quarter, so I'll be doing a second quarter update with y'all in the next few weeks. But anyway, we're going to Bluffton to try to get all of our errands done, so we will check back in with y'all later. It's kind of one of those days where everything seems like it's taking forever, but we had returns to make at Old Navy and Target. We got those done. We're trying to pick up a few gifts here and there, and we did get a couple of those things done. I needed some gift wrap, and I needed some stocking stuffers. I got that done. So now we're headed to Sam's, and mostly I just need a few groceries. And I think we're also continuing to look for a couple of gifts while we're there. But so we're headed to Sam's, and then I think we're gonna go through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru to pick up some supper, because I don't really have time to cook, because it's like almost 4:15 and we're still in Bluffton. So I think we'll go to Sam's, pick up everything else we need, and then probably go through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru for supper, head back home, see how the girls are doing. We're back out of Sam's. I've been surprised. I expect it to be more crowded today than it really was the Monday before Thanksgiving. And I was also really surprised that Sam's had meat this time. So a lot of times they have no chicken, but today they had really...
They have the meats.
They had the meats.
Arby's.
Yeah. So I was able to get chicken breasts and chicken thighs, boneless, skinless on both of those, organic. So that was good. And I was able to get ground beef, which a lot of times they don't have any ground beef, so that was nice too. So we're exhausted. I didn't film in there because we're just trying to get through quickly, and it just takes so much more time to do that, and we filmed in Sam's so many times, y'all kind of know what it looks like. But but we're heading to Chick-fil-A now. We got a little bit done. We got some things for your mom.
Mm-hmm.
We got
your brother.
Some things for my brother, yeah. And one thing
for my brother and sister-in-law.
One thing, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, we got stuff for our employees.
And stockings.
We got stockings done. We got groceries or meat. Basically, we go there for like, usually I go there for like dairy products and meat. I didn't find heavy cream, but I did find butter. I needed butter, eggs, bacon, and meat. So we found all of that. So for the most part, we found everything we needed at Sam's. And I got some medicine. Is that it?
Yep.
We're going to get some supper at Chick-fil-A and head home. Right?
Yep.
Did you enjoy your day?
I'm tired.
You love shopping.
I need a nap.
I do too. I'm just kidding. Gary hates shopping. And honestly, I really don't enjoy shopping anymore either. Like prior to COVID, I did like shopping. And I wouldn't necessarily say that it's because of COVID that I don't like it anymore. But it just kind of like, I don't know, it made everything seem so hard, and I think it still seems that way to me. It's starting to get dark already. I don't know. It's just now 5 o'clock, and it's pretty dark outside. You gotta go that way. Go that way.
No, I'm not going to Chick-fil-A, Mom.
Oh my gracious, you should have gone the other way.
No, for Chick-fil-A?
Yes, I would have gone the other way.
I'm fine.
You're going the wrong way.
It's depressing this time of year.
Because it gets dark early?
Yeah, I mean, it makes you feel like you need to be in bed at like 9. 9 feels like 11.
I know. I'm trying to think if I got everything. I didn't get everything done today that I wanted to do. Oh, I also got a little bit of gift wrap. But I still need to do some house cleaning because mostly tomorrow I'm not gonna be home that much because we need to go to my mom's. Katie has school. I have to do school with Sophie, so this might turn into a nighttime clean with me. We'll just have to see how tired I am. Right. At least I don't have to cook supper, so.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
We are going to be doing like a Christmas Q&A. And you probably could ask other questions in there too if you want to, but I was thinking about doing a Christmas Q&A coming up really soon about Christmas traditions or just any other questions that you have about that. We'll also answer other questions if we get them during that time. You could ask about just like, you know, family things or homeschooling or whatever. But I'm probably going to be filming that coming up soon. We might do it like a Christmas wrap and Q&A because I need to do some gift wrapping. We are going to be taking a trip coming up soon in the next few weeks. And so, because that's going to be in the middle of the Christmas season, or really like a week, 2 weeks before Christmas when we leave. So I want to make sure that I have like all of our gift wrapping and all that stuff done so that I'm not coming back and feeling rushed. So, but if you have any questions for that, related to that, leave them in the comments below and I'll add those to our Q&A. I'll probably put a community post up as well and maybe something on Instagram.
I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone could wear a blindfold.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know.
We finished up dinner. I got all the meat put up. So usually what I do when I get the larger quantities of meat from Sam's, since we have a small family, I just break it up into freezer bags and then I take it outside and put it in our either our deep freezer or the freezer that's above the refrigerator in our garage. So that's what I've been up to, and I spared y'all the raw chicken and all of that. But I didn't show you a haul because a lot of what we got was gifts for people who might watch this video. So, but I did want to show you one thing I got that I thought was cute. This I got at Palmetto Moon. It's a Christmas shirt. It says Merry Christmas, y'all, and it has like a Christmas like rainbow on it. I thought that was really cute. Here he's just walking in the door from, where'd you go? UPS store and Publix. So we've been gone most of the day and haven't really had a chance to do a whole lot other than the shopping that we really needed to do, and we really wanted to get it done early in the week because we're in a tourist town and it's only gonna get worse from here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is start to do some of the cleaning that I need to do before Thanksgiving. I also wanted to remind y'all that we are gonna do Christmas cards this year, so if you wanna be part of our Christmas card swap, I'll go ahead and put the address on the screen here, but if you want to be part of the Christmas card swap, send us a card and we will send one back to you. Sophie's been working on her project. Did this come from the Chick-fil-A? You made rainbow your favorite, right?
I did not make a rainbow. I used any color.
Every color, so not the Roy G. Biv colors, all the colors. Nice.
You like it?
I do like it.
Yay!
Don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
I'm just starting in this little half bathroom. It gets very little use, and I usually just sanitize everything with Clorox wipes and then clean the toilet with the Clorox toilet wand.
I've seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Now I've moved back into the kitchen, and here I need to finish loading the dishwasher. I need to clean the sink and then wipe the countertops. Just the typical cleaning that I do every night in the kitchen.
Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is.
So first I scrub my sinks with baking soda that has lemon essential oil in it along with Dawn Power Wash. I scrub them really good, and once I rinse them out, then I spray them with a disinfectant cleaner. In this case, I'm using the Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner.
And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know is this is where my heart is.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.